What's up? Welcome back. Saturday. Poopy rainy day. Perfect day to be in the garage. We went to Harbor Freight. Whew. Boys. We got ourselves a vise. Nice little multi-vise. Got a piece of pizza. Got a nice Bluetooth radio so we get some tunes going. Picked up the multimeter so we can test electronic things. And some other miscellaneous shit. A little magnet tray. Organizer for my sockets. Got a little air ratchet. A little flashlight. A couple Bauer impact socket attachments. And then this baby. Tired of doing lug nuts by hand, so wise investment there. I also got a wall mount for the house. But yeah, we're gonna work on the Soopty and get that exhaust done today. So I'll catch up with you in a minute. Get a fire going, get it warmed up in here, get the car in, floor swept. Get it popping. But hey, it looks pretty good cleaned up. What do you think? Not too shabby. The other thing I'm excited for with this piece of crap is I got this buffer, and I've never had the nut to use it on my truck. But this is black, and so is my truck. So I think if I practice on this, I'd feel a little better about buffing my truck. So. Alright, be right back. Well, we got her on jack stands, and I'm just thinking to myself, because I'm kind of a self-conscious person, that's why this is like, I don't know, therapeutic for me. It helps me to just put myself out there, and I don't really care what you guys think or if you like it, because if you don't like it, you ain't got to watch it. But I notice in my videos, it's a lot of talking about what I'm going to do and what I plan to do, and not a lot of progress or action on anything, and that's just kind of been slow. Because the way things have been going with the house and getting settled in. So we're gonna get some shit done tonight. We're gonna get this exhaust done and do some other things. So grab my new trusty flashlight. Oh, she's bright. So what we're gonna do here is, oh, look at that. We're gonna pull this header off. I'm going to inspect for leaks, and I think it'll be easier to weld it not under the car. So let me pull that baby out, and I'll catch up with you when that's done. That was easy. New impact gun made that sweet, but that doesn't look good, right? I have to cut this whole freaking thing off. Rightfully so. Yuck. Oh my god. Alright, so I decided not to rush this. I was just going to weld this. You can see I had it tacked right here. And just run that and bend this, but it's kind of cheese ball. So I'm trying to do some pie cuts. I've never really tried it. Seems like a lot of welding, but if I just kick this over like that, and then do another turn, I can probably sneak this in straight. So I still want to use it, I just don't want to like flexed. I'd rather it be straight, absorb the probably shot motor mounts I got. But yeah, I'm gonna whip a couple more of these up, tack them in, and we'll see where we're at. this is the progress I've made. This is just going to slip into the other one pretty far. So, whatever. Don't have to completely weld that one. I'm going to weld this. And, that was close. This is what I came up with. It's what my welding, you know, this thing, she does what she can. And I do what I can. This is shit dirty metal, but it ain't going anywhere. Those welds are terrible. I don't even want to show those on the tube, but whatever. It's a hoopty. So, yeah, I'm going to slap that puppy in, clear the codes again, go drive it, see if the O2 goes away. Alright, there it is. The solution. It's tucked up a lot higher. Like I said, it ain't beautiful. I'm still learning. But it's definitely not as low as it was, and it's definitely still a piece of shit. But it's not going to sound like such a piece of shit. So, as far as puppy up, yep. Sorry guys, I got you. Sounds substantially better. There's still, you know, a couple leaks like where I tied into back, because there's like 17 different pieces of pipe. So that's leaking, that's leaking. That's all gotta get fixed still. So the main part is good. So I gotta just continue from there back. But I'm gonna take her for a ride. Alright, I just went and drove it, and sounds a lot better. Runs a lot better. No engine lights, but the battery was disconnected while I was welding, so I probably got to drive it more. And I'm going to do that after I fix these rear mufflers and when Riley gets home. So hopefully when she gets here, we'll go do some rips.
It works. Okay. I did it! From a stop!
Shift it.
That was a good one.
She's scared to shift, so she's riding around like a hot boy in second gear. Good thing we put the mufflers on this thing.
Alright, we're coming up to a stop sign, okay? So I'm gonna push into neutral, or push the clutch in and go into neutral.
You can usually just pull it into neutral while you're coasting. Don't forget to tap the gas, keep it idle in here at the light.
I don't think you're supposed to have to do that.
It's a race car. You have to. Alright. Gas, gas, clutch out. Out, clutch out, clutch out, clutch out. Power shifted it. Oh yeah. Alright, we're going to get some dinner. Hopefully I don't have to order a new clutch at the dinner table, so catch up with you guys.